Hi guys, today we're going to show you some tips on how to insert a video to the video that you upload to YouTube using Kinemaster application. First, start the Kinemaster app, then tap Create New to create a video project. Here, choose the aspect ratio of your video project. Most common used for YouTube video is 19:6 aspect ratio. Then, in the Browse Media, find your video that you're going to upload to YouTube. So, let's say this is the master video. To insert a video, tap Layer, then Media, and choose a video to be inserted to the master video. So, here is the embedded video. At the upper right corner of the embedded video, you can rotate the video. While at the bottom right corner, you can resize it. To place the embedded video to a certain spot, just drag the video. This is the split screen menu. You can split screens and put them wherever you want. When finished with the editing, don't forget to save the project and save the video to YouTube. So, this is the way how to embed a video to a video using Kinemaster application. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this awesome channel.